Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GizDev. Let's see the important tech news from mobile world this week. So starting by first, Galaxy S20 Lite is tipped to launch in October. This will be the affordable lineup for Galaxy S20 series. And the second news comes for the iPhone 12 launch. The supply chain confirms the iPhone 12 launch will be held in the October. The OnePlus Hybrid series, that is OnePlus Z, it is rumored to named as OnePlus Nord, and now it has the landing page on Amazon India. Maybe it can be named as a OnePlus Z or OnePlus Lite. It is also rumored to have that the OnePlus Z camera will be 32MP dual, and in front there will be 8MP camera. The next news is come from Motorola. The Motorola already launched the Fusion Plus and Edge Plus devices. Now the Motorola will launch the lower end versions of the same, and these can be launched soon. Asus ROG 3 receives Bluetooth certification, expected to launch in the next month. May get priced aggressively like its predecessor ROG Phone 2. Realme launching the smartphone and crowding markets already in the Indian markets. Now they are going to launch the Realme gaming phone, gamepads, and their images are leaked now. Redmi K40 5G specifications are leaked. Just a short span of time, the Redmi K40 will be launched again soon. Facebook now will soon warn the users who are showing the articles which are 90 days old. It is implemented to counter the fake news. The Google Photos has now revamped the logo and some changes in the UI. The Google Photos logo and app UI is changed. You can update your Google Photos app to see the more changes. Next news come from the Snapdragon. The Qualcomm will launch the 865 Plus version of their new chipset. Just like 865 Plus will be launched in the July. The Android 11 beta, which is available right now for the Android devices, it is now supposed to launch for the Android TVs also. The Google Pixel 4a, which is hyped smartphone from lots of days, it is now appeared on the FCC certification website. It is expected to launch in the next month.